Hey everybody, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a mask called the besan face mask, or you can call it the gram flower face mask. And this mask, I have been using it for so long and it always gives me great results, and I really wanted to share it on here. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into the video and stay till the end and let me know what you think. So to start off with, we're gonna put a tablespoon of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric, and then squeeze some lemon in there. And then once we got that, we add some yogurt. Mine is low fat yogurt, full fat is better. Add some honey, some milk, and then we're going to start mixing this together. And I noticed that it was a bit thick, so I added a bit more milk to make it a bit more blendable. The mixture is made. This is how it looks like. Oh, sorry, thought somebody was there. This is how the mixture looks like. It should be kind of like a thick paste, but not so thick that you cannot blend it on your face, but like just between really thick to not so thick, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to apply this on my face, and before I do, because I just washed my hair, hence it's like this, I'm going to just put this on to not get any of the mixture into my hair. So as I explained it in the beginning of the video, I did absolutely no measurements. I just kind of add what I feel looks right to me. So I mean, I don't think this is something that you really need to measure. Okay, so now that we have this on, just get off the ears a little bit. Now we're gonna start applying. So the first thing what I did is I'm using an old makeup brush. It's an old makeup brush, but it's still a usable makeup brush. So I don't know why. Actually, my sister chose this one. I think when she was doing one of her own masks, she was using this. So yeah, we're gonna continue to use this same brush, and we're gonna start to apply this all over the face. So just choose. I find that these work much better as well, by the way, in the sense of applying and picking up the mixture more. So we're just gonna start to get some on our brush and start applying it to the skin. So honestly, there's absolutely no right or wrong way of doing this. You're just gonna literally start applying to your whole face. It feels really good on the skin, by the way. So once you actually start to apply this on the skin, I keep feel like somebody's over there, but as when you start to apply this on your skin, it really makes you, it's really cooling, and it feels like you know, you can feel like it's doing something to your face. I don't know if that is if it's actually doing something immediately, but it feels amazing. So I just applied it to my whole face, and I actually have quite a bit of mixture left, so I'm going to apply the rest on my neck. Sometimes I really have a lot left over, so what I do is, like, when I'm about to take a shower, I will just like apply this on my arms, around my chest, and then I will just rinse it off, you know, because why waste it? So we're going to apply it to the neck, and I think I need to stand up. There you go.
My legs are hurting of stretching too, just...
Itchy. I usually see on YouTube or Instagram, they always recommend that you keep these masks on for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I follow that rule when it comes to store-bought masks, but when it comes to homemade masks, I usually keep them on for as long as you want, because I know that there's not going to be any damage done to my skin with this. If anything, the results get much more better from my experience. But if you do feel any sort of irritation for some reason, do rinse off, because this mask then probably wouldn't work for you. So I'm going to keep mine on for maybe for like an hour or so. It depends on how I feel. Sometimes I could feel really uncomfortable. If I have something else to do, then I'll wash it off. But the time when you should start to wash it off is when your mask starts to become dry. So you will start to feel your skin become really tight, really dry, and the whole mask would have dried on your face already because of the gram flour. So that is basically when it comes in contact with water, it starts to become dry. So once it starts to become dry, this is the time that you can actually start to rinse off. Otherwise, just keep it on until it does become dry. So yeah, I'm gonna come back once I'm ready to wash it, and I will show you guys the immediate results once it's done. Okay, I just washed my face. I'm just gonna dry it now. Okay, I think you can see the difference already. Like my skin has gone just so much more healthier looking. I want to say brighter, but I don't want to give the misconception that, like, you know, you're trying to be white, because you're not. But it's just gone so much more healthier, much more fresher, and that's why I love this mask so much. You get instant results immediately. So I'm gonna continue to show you the rest of my skincare, what I'm doing now. Hope my camera will not fall. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put another face mask on. Just ignore this bit over here. I'm gonna put another mask on, but I'll show you which one we're using. Is this one from Ioma. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Anyway, so this is from Ioma, and this is the hydrating anti-wrinkle mask. It's really good for anti-aging and all that kind of stuff. But the reason I'm using this now, which looks like this, the reason I'm using this now is because just to remove any yellow stain from my face that's left from the turmeric. So just massage this in. And this one we're going to literally keep on for like 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so we're going to keep this on for 2 to 3 minutes and then come back and then do the rest of my skincare. So I just finished with that mask and I just washed it all off. Now I'm going to go in with my skincare as the last bit. And first thing I'm going to be doing is going in with some rose water. So this is a bottle that I just bought from Daiso for like 7 dirhams and filled it up with rose water. And this is a must in my day to night skincare routine. Really, rose water, there's nothing like it. Like, it's the best. Now I'm going to go into some eye cream. I'm going to be using this one, it's the Skin Trainer eye cream from Kiko. I really like this because it really does help to depuff my eyes whenever I do have puffy eyes. But the moisturizer I'm going to be using now is this one from Eucerin. It's the Hyaluron Filler plus Elasticity. So it's a filler basically. I'm not so much of a skincare expert on products that you buy from the store, but I know a lot about DIY stuff because that's what I've been doing for the past maybe 8 years. I'm then gonna go in with the SPF. SPF is a must. SPF is a must, especially living here in Dubai. The sun like literally throughout the whole day, so cannot forget the SPF. I prefer SPF 50. Just, I mean, to be honest, I have no idea why as well, but like I just feel like it's better for the skin. Then lastly, we're gonna go in with some lip balm. This is from Rituals. It's the Magic Balm. It's pretty much the same as Vaseline, so you can just use Vaseline and it will work just as well. The video, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I had a lot of fun making this video. Skincare is one of my favorite things. I mean, DIY skincare is one of my favorite things, and this mask specifically is my most used mask since the last 8 to 10 years, I could say, and it always gives results every single time you will use it. So yes, this mask especially is good if you're acne prone skin. So if you're really sensitive to getting acne, try this mask out. I'm sure it will do great for you. And if it does work for you and you like this mask, please comment down below and please suggest any other videos that you would like to see. Thank you.